The traditional recruitment model is broken, let's face it. Introducing FinCrime Consultants, the revolutionary platform designed by financial crime professionals for candidates, employers, and recruiters. A platform that unites the industry. Candidates sign up and complete a detailed questionnaire, generating a FinCrime-specific CV tailored to their relevant skills, personality, and future aspirations. Employers and recruiters can utilize our advanced search filters to quickly identify the most suitable candidates to interview. Easily search by years of experience, salary expectations, hybrid arrangements, locations, and more to find exactly who you're looking for. Our anonymized profiles ensure a discrimination-free environment, helping you select the best candidates to interview without bias. Modernize your hiring process with speed, precision, and cost efficiency. Join FinCrime Consultants today.